This light kit includes one security light, one foam gasket, one mounting bracket, one mounting screw, two small box screws, two medium box screws, two wood screws, two wall anchors, two wire nuts, and one translucent plug. Use pliers to remove one of the knockout openings on either side of the light. Measure 2 inches and mark the location on the mounting surface. Drill 2 pilot holes and install anchors as needed. Attach the foam gasket. Drill screws until 3/8 inch of the screw sticks out above the surface. Slide keyhole slots over screws. Plug light into electrical outlet. Shut off power to the fuse box before removing the old security light or installing the new one. Using wire cutters, trim the electrical cord 6 inches from the back of the fixture. With a wire stripping tool, carefully remove 1 inch of the outside cord. Cut away from your body. Next, remove a 1/2 inch of insulation from the black and white wires. Attach the mounting bracket to the junction box using either small or medium box screws. Gasket is not needed for recessed junction box. Pull the supply wires out of the junction box. Using a wire nut, connect the black supply lead to the black fixture wire. Connect the white supply lead to the white fixture wire. Tuck the wires back into the junction box. Secure the light to the junction box with the long mounting screw. Restore power at the fuse box. Make sure the fixture is working properly by using the test mode setting. Insert the translucent plug. Add caulk around canopy as needed.